Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a unique default reply for each chatbot channel in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. This feature comes handy when you want to create different default reply for each channels. Let me show you how. There you have it. You just learned how to create a unique default reply for each channel in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.